voices, to hear our stories, our experiences. And I'm going to begin with the poem. This is for Rita Conde. She requested this. Thank you, Rita, so much for curating this event, giving us a stage to tell our stories. Thank you so much. So this is called Chocante. It is from my book. The book, I'm going to skip a little part that has language because I don't know if there are any kids or young adults. I don't want to taint tonight. But when I do use language in my writing, it's only because I think, especially with this poem as a woman, I'm really curious about these words that I'm not allowed to use about my own body. But I won't use any of those words tonight. I'll skip that little part. This is called Chocante. Growing up, I was raised in a house with, my brother was only 2 years older than I, and by my grandmother and my grandfather. And when my grandfather died at age 14, my brother became the man of the house. And this was weird to me that when it was dinner time, my grandmother said, go ask Ben what he wants to eat. Couldn't wake him up in the morning. I was woken up because I had to like start cleaning and go to the post office and do my chores. But whenever he rolled out of bed, ask him if he's ready for breakfast, and I would have to make these for him. When I questioned why is it that he could come and go and do whatever he wanted, but for me, my life was really church, school, and home. And when I questioned that, I was called Chocante. My grandmother only spoke to me in Spanish. I only answered her in English, and I never asked what the word meant. But I could tell from context it was not a good thing because it was never said lovingly. Like, Chocante. No, it was Chocante. So I knew it wasn't good. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Chocante, sin vergüenza, without shame. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Abuela called me Chocante so often, I thought Chocante was my name. See, Chocante means unpleasant. It's true, I'm not out to please. Chocar means to collide or to crash violently. Me chocas. Feel a head-on collision at the very sight of me. Canté, I sang. Canto, I sing. Chocante, too loud, Abuela said. You want way too much attention. Too much for a Mexicana adhering to convention. Abuela taught me to be docile. Told me girls are born to suffer. To cook and clean, not be obscene. Serve your man first at supper. Que chocante. Yes, Abuela is now rolling in her grave. Mujer muy mal hablada, did you not learn to behave? Señorita misbehaving, señorita misspeaking, señorita chocante, what husband will tolerate your shrieking? Cállate nena cochina, quédate en la cocina, bocona hocicona, mouth too big for una niña. Raunchy, risque, arrastrada, pariah, barrandera. Now I'm persona non grata, perhaps she should have named me Chata. Shut the hell up. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Chocante sin vergüenza, without shame. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Abuela called me Chocante so often I thought Chocante was my name. Choose virgen or choose puta. Can't exist as paradox. Sex, class, race, and education serve to keep me in a box. See, I'm as subtle as machismo, which is always in my face. Oh, but I'm the one who has the problem. I'm the one who's out of place. Choc, choc, choco. Muy chocante. Abuela said it was an omen. Huerca chueca means I'm twisted. Not attractive for a woman. Been called angry because I'm vocal. Yeah, I sure can talk a riot. Been called angry, but I'm happier than when I was afraid and quiet. If you're proud and loud and willful, you're una mujer desgraciada. But a matriarch must first rule herself. Y a mí nadie me manda. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Chocante sin vergüenza, without shame. Chocante, shocking, startling, strange. Abuela called me Chocante so often, well, I believed her. Perhaps she's the one to blame.